Hey Crunchified Clean friends, here is a window cleaning tip. If you have a window that you just can't reach, for example, this community, there's stairs right underneath this window and it's literally impossible to clean it without rolling down a flight of stairs and killing myself, and I'm not about to do that, I grab my microfiber wholesale flat mop. Get a flat mop and get a mop pad. You can wrap a microfiber towel around it with like rubber bands or, do a little MacGyver thing. But as a professional cleaner, I like to bring professional mop pads to mop the floor. But I bring extra ones because I'm going to use it to clean the window. So I would suggest getting good quality mop pads. Put it on your flat mop and then spray your window down with your window cleaner. Then use your mop pad to just clean off the window cleaning solution and clean the window. The mop pad is thick and absorbent and it's going to remove the liquid off the window. It's going to clean the window and you're not killing yourself trying to reach a window that you just can't reach. And since the microfiber wholesale mops are very high, this is an extendable pole that goes up to 6 feet. I have a lot of range. I can reach a window that's pretty high up without having to climb a ladder. So it makes my life a lot easier. And when you do use a mop pad that's made for the mop, I'm not tying it down with rubber bands. You can keep MacGyver for other stuff and get your windows nice and crunchified clean. Use my link down below to grab it.